Let's learn how to set up multiple inboxes in Gmail. First, open the Chrome browser and go to Gmail. Click the small gear icon in the top right corner. Then select See All Settings. Now go to the Inbox tab. From the Inbox type drop-down menu, choose Multiple Inboxes. Here, you can set up to 5 inboxes based on your needs. To create one, enter a search query that will filter your emails. For example, I'll type Zoom to collect all Zoom-related emails in one inbox. You can also give the section a name, but that's optional. Let's add another inbox with the keyword password, so I can easily find all password-related emails. Once you've added your inboxes, scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it. You've successfully created 2 extra inboxes, one for Zoom and one for passwords. Now you can see them right here in your Gmail. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing if you found this video helpful.